Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Cinco de Mayo, and we are going to do some margaritas today. I'm super excited about this. As usual, got the trusty Vitamix A3500. This is one you guys have seen me doing my demonstrations, but in those demonstrations, we never get to actually serve alcohol, unfortunately. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and whip up a margarita for you guys to see in my house, in the real. My little puppies came over to say hi. Can you say hi, Boots? Say hi. This is baby Booties. Hey, everybody. Okay, thank you for the kiss. All right, okay, outside. So, what we're gonna do is put together this margarita. Super, super exciting. Let me show you the ingredients right here real quick. So, what we have is we have a 1/4 cup of water, 6 ounces of tequila, 2 ounces of triple sec, okay? We have 1 peeled and halved orange, 1 lime peeled. I like to leave a little bit of the skin on there because I like the taste, but this is probably the most that I would leave on there. That's a very happy place for me. We have 1 lemon peeled and halved. This is 75 grams of sugar, or about 6 tablespoons. We have 6 cups of ice. So, this tequila here, I gotta tell you, you know, I've not always been a big tequila drinker. I like to spread out my imagination when it comes to mixing cocktails, you know, whether it be gin, vodkas, whiskeys, you know, tequilas. So, I haven't really focused necessarily on tequila, but it was my birthday, and my brother surprised me with a couple bottles of Teremana, and I want to give Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, a big shout out. Bro, this is beautiful. It is bomb. And, you know, me not being a huge tequila drinker, when I do drink tequila, I like to go towards the higher end tequilas. And I'm telling you, I would park those on the shelf, you know, and go with this anytime. So I got to give you a huge shout out. That is awesome. We're celebrating Cinco de Mayo here at home in the quarantine. So I'll be cheersing you guys, you know, on the camera, including my friends and family. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this baby mixed up. So you can put all this fun stuff in there really in any order. You just want to make sure that the ice goes last, okay? So let's go ahead and get those oranges in there. That lime, lemon, boom. In goes the sugar. So essentially what we're doing right now is we're actually making the margarita mix right now, okay? We're gonna add in the tequila. We're gonna add in the water. And here we go. Got that triple sec. Perfect. All right, last thing is, top this off with some ice. All right, now, there's a couple different ways that you can do this. Obviously, with the models that have the automated settings, you're gonna see like a little frozen dessert setting, and that would be including frozen beverages, frappuccinos, so on and so forth. I have had a couple of people ask me, how do I do this if I have a machine that doesn't have any of the automated settings? Well, essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna run your machine the same way that these automatic settings would turn up the speed and then shut off. So if I press that frozen dessert setting, it's gonna run about 55 seconds. And the reason why I say about 55 seconds is because if you're making a margarita that's smaller than this, well then guess what? It's gonna finish sooner, okay? These automated settings, they don't necessarily sense how big this serving is, okay? So what I'm gonna go ahead is I'm gonna go ahead and press play and let her rip. All right, here we go, Cinco de Mayo. It's about to be in full effect. I think the only thing that would make this better is if I had this with breakfast this morning. It's a 7 a.m. drink on Cinco de Mayo. All right, here we go. Ooh, look at that, beautiful. All right, a couple glasses, awesome. Let's go ahead and get this perfect margarita out of here. Look at that. The consistency is perfect every single time. Oh, beautiful. And you guys, make sure, if you haven't already, grab some of these spatulas. These are the ones that I've been using in my demonstration for many, many years. And these things are awesome because when you're scooping around near the blade, you know, getting stuff out of the container like this, these plastic ones are not going to get all gnarled up like the silicone ones. So, yeah, definitely I recommend to grab some of these because they'll last you a long, long time and they do the job great. Ooh, perfect. Man, I'm excited. Happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody. Cheers. This is gonna be so good. Nailed it. That is so good. You guys make sure you get you a bottle of that. Make some fun cocktails with it. And I'm telling you, this whole fruit margarita is amazing. All right, cheers.